Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use your Jumao oxygen concentrator step by step. First, carefully unpack your new concentrator and place it on a flat, stable surface. It's crucial to ensure there's at least 10 inches of clear space around all sides of the unit for proper ventilation. This prevents overheating. Next, securely connect the power cord to the back of the device and then plug it into a grounded electrical outlet. This ensures a safe and stable power supply. Now, let's prepare the humidifier. Fill the humidifier bottle with distilled water, making sure not to exceed the marked maximum fill line. This prevents water from entering the oxygen tubing. Carefully attach the filled humidifier bottle to its designated port on the front of the concentrator. Finally, connect one end of your nasal cannula tubing to the oxygen outlet on the humidifier bottle. Ensure all connections are snug to prevent any leaks. With everything connected, it's time to start the concentrator. Turn on the power switch, usually located on the front or side of the unit. Allow the device to warm up for about 5 minutes. This ensures optimal performance. Next, adjust the oxygen flow rate to the specific setting prescribed by your doctor. You'll typically see a flow meter with numbers. Finally, place the nasal cannula comfortably and check for a steady flow of oxygen. Proper maintenance ensures your concentrator works efficiently and safely. Clean the air filter weekly using mild soap and water, then allow it to air dry completely before reinserting. Replace your nasal cannula every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain good hygiene and prevent blockages. Always store your Jumao concentrator in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Following these simple steps will help prolong the life of your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.